Hey, welcome back to the channel. There are so many permanent smart lights out here. I want to give you a chance to understand how each of them perform, and I not just do Govee, but do Lumeri. And in this brand, Asahom, I put on my son's house, and now I'm going to put it on my parents' house. Now, the most important thing that you can do when installing these permanent smart lights is to ensure that the surface that the adhesive is going onto is clean. Asahom used to provide wipes. They don't provide those wipes anymore. I recommend getting as close to 100% isopropyl alcohol as you can with wipes or alcohol on a microfiber. Clean the surface and stick it and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds, and then you can let go. You can also use the screws as a backup. I like to just use a screw every, I don't know, fourth or fifth light, just to make sure it holds up. I like to rely on just the adhesive if I can. For this house, I only had to use a couple of screws across the whole thing. Second most important thing, maybe the most important thing, I don't know, is make sure that the power source is in somewhere that is not going to get rained on. Now, they'll claim rain tightness and they'll claim that it can handle outdoor weather, but it's just not true. Over time, I found so many rain tight power adapters getting messed up. So on this case, I tucked it behind the pole. They happen to have an outlet that was out of the way. A lot of times, like on my house, I will actually run the power through a window into an inside plug so that that doesn't see any rain at all. Sometimes you could tuck it up under an eave, attach it to the soffit. But in this case, they had a really nice place that I could put it just out of the way. So make sure the surface is clean and make sure that power adapter is in a dry spot, even though it says it can handle the wet. Okay, just wanted to give you a quick look inside the box. It is smart home compatible with Google or Amazon. If you open the boxes inside, you'll see that they've got lights, the power adapters. They've got some extension cables that you can use. They've got the two-sided tape on the back of the lights, and they've got the screws and wire holders plus the user's manual. Okay, I'm trying something new here with the phone just to the left of the screen while I show the house in the background. When you open the app, there are a bunch of presets that you can choose from. So like the other brands, you don't have to design everything yourself. You can simply go to the preset section and scroll through the dozens of them that they have and see what you want it to do. Now, there is also a design section, so I'm just highlighting some of the light features that you can choose from, how it flashes, how they activate and light, and because each LED is controlled individually, you can do whatever you want with all of them, and you can change individual colors to each one. You can change how they light up as a group. It's really pretty powerful. I was quite pleased with this functionality. Now, one of the things that really excited my family was the AI functionality. My dad's a Kansas City Chiefs fan, so here we are typing Kansas City Chiefs into the AI function. It takes a little bit of time, but it's like, are you sure this is what you want to do? Then it'll give you a little preview on the screen of what that's going to look like, and then if you're okay with that, then you just hit okay or apply. I can't remember what it says on the screen. It takes a couple seconds, and then boom, look, you got Pat Mahomes, baby, or whatever NFL team or sports team or color combo you want. It's a very powerful tool, and I really like it, and so do they. Okay, so my quick thoughts on the lights. Excellent alternative to the more expensive units. Mounted easily, attached to the app easily, connect to the smart home. Lots of functionality, lots of choices. You won't go wrong with this setup, and it'll get you in the door at a nice price.